No.
He needs some milk.
You better talk to before I do, because I'm hurt her feelings.
What was the reason? I just explained the reason. What was the reason, bitch? I don't need to explain myself to you. And what was the reason?
You're a holiday, a glass of ocean slipping down. My floating landing on my hopes, I'm dreaming. Off the maps, no hidden grids, I'm fleeing. I worship you like holy days, lying on my back, seeing clouds and rays, drinking lime and bitter from my lemonade.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome as well. My name is Dami, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this box braid wig. I always wanted box braids, but I hate sitting for them, so today I'm just going to show you how I made this wig. I'm just going to say excuse my voice because I am a little sick right now, so I might sound a little weird, but forgive me. So moving right into the tutorial, I start with a frontal that's customized and a braided wig cap, and I'm just going to go ahead and sew that down. And actually I'm going to first secure it down, put it into a long braid across, and then sew that down. Originally, I had other plans for the wig, but it didn't work out the way I wanted it to. And so I was really confused. I put cornrows in it and I was like, I don't know what to do. But then I decided to braid the wig. And all I did was I just put in some cornrows. And as you can probably see, like, I'm not like the best cornrower. I don't really like... I generally don't really like tight and like super perfect cornrows, so you know, I kind of made my parting just loose and carefree. That's the look I wanted for my braids. You can definitely make it as tight or as loose as you want, or as big or as small as you want. Definitely I hate bulky box braids in the front, so I made it a little scanty. And I'm just gonna go ahead and dip the ends of my box braids into hot water to seal it. And then I'm going in with this crochet hair that I got from AliExpress. All the links to everything will be down below. I'm just gonna go ahead and crochet the hair into my crochet wig cap. Very easy, very straightforward. Took me about 30 minutes. Now that the wig is complete, I just yeah, it's complete. Looks good. Also, don't forget to leave baby hairs out in the front because you need baby hairs, trust me. And then going in with some hair jewels and this like metallic wire I got from Dollarama, I'm just gonna go ahead and decorate my braids. It doesn't really look good here because my lighting was a little off, but I got new lighting, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, it looks a lot better in regular lighting, which you probably saw. And then now I'm gonna show you guys how I install the wig. I'm going in with some Got to Be glued, and this is the transparent one, the one in the black bottle. I don't really have any preference. I use whatever I have. And I'm also going to go in with some tights, like the darkest or like the closest color I could find to my skin. I know this isn't really my skin color, but whatever, it worked, so I used it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some Got to Be glued on the perimeter of my edges, and also spray some Got to Be free spray, and then dry that on cool. I'm just gonna say that I went a little below my hairline because I do have a 5 head and so with frontals, you know, it helps me because I'm able to lower my wig without looking too crazy. And now I go ahead and cut off the excess cap as carefully as I possibly can. And then I'm gonna go in, because you see some of the the parts are like kind of standing up, and some people go really in and try to cut that off, but what I do is I just get some got to be glued and just press that down so there's really no space. And then when that's dry, I just clean up the excess with some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put some got to be glued on the perimeter, and then make it tacky with a blow dryer on cool. Make sure it's on cool, not on hot. And then I'm going to, once that's tacky, I'm gonna spray some got to be free spray, and then I'm gonna place the wig on my head. My method for placing the wig on the head is not really like whatever, it's not really a method. I just placed it on my head. But I will say that I did it wrong because the baby hairs were out in the front and it was just a mess, but I figured it out. And then now I'm just gonna lay my edges. Usually what I do is I use my got to be glued, but to make it easier and more like malleable to work with, I just wet my brush a little bit. That's a tip for you, like wet your brush before using got to be glued and use that as an edge control. And believe me when I say your edges are gonna stay laid forever. And so now I'm just gonna take a scarf and just put that over my edges just to keep it secure. I leave that on for about 10 minutes and we are done. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.